Hey there! I bring you another kebab recipe that is one of the most popular choices when we go to the restaurants. Yes, it is Reshmi kebab. Now that we are stuck at home, let's make this at home and enjoy the restaurant style Reshmi kebab. I will show you 2 easy ways to make it. Subscribe as one click creates a bond. Comment to stay connected. Like to show your support. Let's prepare the marinade, for which we will first take cheese. Any block cheese will do. What I did is grated and mashed the cheese with back of my palm like this. It will give us a smooth texture. To it, add 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1.5 tablespoon of grated garlic. Next, add about half cup of hung curd. I have tried to remove as much water as possible. Then comes cream, about 1/4 cup. To this, add 1 teaspoon pepper powder, salt to taste. Finally, 2 green chili and a handful of coriander leaves. I have churned it once in a mixer to get a finely chopped texture. Now very nicely mix everything. Time for our chicken. Taken about 250 grams of boneless chicken. We need to then coat the pieces really well. To this, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil so that the marinade coats well. A final mix. Then cover and keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours or more if possible. I later covered it with cling film. Let us move to the first method, which is grill and microwave. For which we will take a high rack, take an aluminium foil, and cut like this. Best way is to make markings like this so that we know the exact size. Then crumble the sides. This will help us avoid the liquid to flow outside. Our easy bowl is ready. Place it on top and keep it away for the next step. We will get our chicken. This has been marinating for about 3 hours. I have taken 1 wooden skewer, dipped it in water for about half an hour. I will divide this chicken pieces and show you 2 ways to grill it. Let us start piercing the chicken pieces like this. Do not pack it too tight. Now we will get our prepared aluminium plate. Brush it with butter. I had added little oil with the butter. Place the skewer. If you do not have skewer, then you can just keep the pieces directly like this. You can add a little of the marinade on top of the pieces. Make sure to preheat the microwave at 180 degrees. Then using grill mode, grill it for about 15 minutes. But make sure to check it after 10 minutes. The color should be like this. So take it out and turn the pieces over. Come on, hand, turn it over. Brush little butter all over. Then again in grill mode for 10 minutes on the other side. We are ready. The chicken is nicely grilled and ready. See the color of our Reshmi kebab. We'll come back to this for the plating. Let's move to the second method, which is pan grill. I have a grill pan, but you can use any pan at home. Brush butter all over the pan. I also brush some oil so that the butter doesn't burn. Now add the chicken pieces. Make sure to space it up and let them sizzle. I bet the aroma of this will get many mouths watering. Turn it over when you see the color changes. Keep an eye so that they don't burn. My pan grill kebab has shown its true beautiful color finally. Let's plate it with onion rings. Trust me, the taste is just awesome. Enjoy the restaurant style Reshmi kebab in the comfort of your home. As always, the list of ingredients is also available in the description box below. I wish to see you subscribe and thank you for watching.